Meaning of effect.
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 Effect. The term effect refers to the result or consequence of an action, event, or phenomenon. It is the outcome that occurs as a direct or indirect response to a stimulus or cause. The effect can be positive or negative, intended or unintended. It can be seen in various aspects of life such as in social, economic, political, environmental, and health-related matters. Overall, understanding the potential effects of any action or decision is crucial in making informed choices and achieving desired outcomes.